Welcome to Touch and Fetch.
Hello viewers, welcome to Touch and Fetch. Today I am going to show you unboxing video of OnePlus 8 Pro. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future updates. Advantage of this smartphone has excellent camera setup, huge storage, wireless charging along with rapid charging technology and IP68 water resistant. Disadvantage of the smartphone has bulky device, weighs up to 199 grams and non-expandable storage. What's in the box? Warp charge 30 power adapter, Warp Type-C cable, support USB 2.0, quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card, logo sticker, case, screen protector and SIM tray ejector. The OnePlus 8 Pro comes in two storage variants. The base model with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage costs Rs 60,000 and the high-end model with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage costs Rs 60,000. I have given the link in below description. There you can buy the product. This smartphone is the first OnePlus phone with the IP68 rating for water and dust resistance and comes with a massive 4510 mAh battery, and it does support warp 30T fast wired charging and also reverse wireless charging. It's also the first smartphone to be able to display 10-bit colors. Most smartphones have an 8-bit display capable around 16 million colors. The OnePlus 8 Pro is capable of displaying over a billion colors. The smartphone features a 48 megapixel wide Sony IMX689 plus 48 megapixel ultra wide plus 8 megapixel telephoto lens plus 5 megapixel color filter lens cameras at the back. Similarly, there is a 16 megapixel selfie camera with support for 1080 pixel video recording. OnePlus 8 Pro runs on Android version 10 operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.84 GHz single core Cairo 585 plus 2.42 GHz tri-core Cairo 585 plus 1.8 GHz quad core Cairo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. The smartphone will come with a 6.78 inches Fluid AMOLED capacity touchscreen with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. New technology of this device as Wi-Fi 6 meet the next generation of Wi-Fi technology with up to 270% faster data transfer speeds than previous generations. You can stream games and watch shows without any lag. In the smartphone, brightness control lets you select your ideal display brightness from 4096 available levels for smoother brightness transitions and greater eye comfort. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and share our channel to your friends and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Bye guys.